Gold from Sony DVCAM 3 CCD, exploring the hidden value of gold in professional video equipment. When you think of gold, you probably imagine jewelry, coins, or bars stored in a vault. But there's a surprising place where gold plays an essential role, inside professional video equipment, like Sony's DVCAM 3 CCD DSP camcorders. These high-end devices, once used by filmmakers and broadcasters, are more than just tools of the trade. They're hidden reservoirs of valuable electronic components, including gold. In this article, we'll dive into the details of gold used in Sony DVCAMs, especially in the 3CCD, 3-charge coupled device models with DSP, digital signal processing. We'll also explain why gold is used, where it is found inside, and how electronic recyclers recover it today. What is the Sony DVCAM 3CCD DSP? Sony DVCAM is a professional digital video format introduced in the mid-1990s. These camcorders were staples in TV studios, newsrooms, and documentary productions due to their reliability and image quality. A 3CCD system uses 3 separate image sensors for red, green, and blue light, resulting in more accurate color reproduction than single CCD designs. The DSP, digital signal processor, in the system handles real-time video processing, color balancing, and encoding. To support this level of performance, Sony packed the internals with high-quality electronic parts, and that includes gold. Why is gold used in electronic equipment? Gold isn't just valuable for its shine. It has unique physical properties that make it ideal for electronics. Excellent conductivity. Gold transmits electrical signals better than almost any other metal. Corrosion resistance. Gold doesn't tarnish, ensuring long-lasting connections. Durability under heat and stress. Perfect for high-performance, heat-generating components like processors and sensors. Because of these traits, gold is often used in connector pins and contacts, internal wiring, bonding wires inside IC chips, coatings on circuit board traces, CCD sensor circuitry, DSP chips and memory modules. Gold. Inside the Sony DVCAM 3 CCD DSP, let's take a closer look at where gold is typically found in a Sony DVCAM 3 CCD DSP camcorder. CCDC sensors. Each of the 3 CCDs, for red, green, and blue channels, contains gold bonding wires inside the chip package. These ultra-thin gold wires connect the silicon chip to its leads. 2. DSP, digital signal processor, and ICs. The DSP chips and various integrated circuits contain gold in the following forms: gold bonded wire connections, gold-plated pins or pads for mounting, gold traces on multi-layer PCBs. Connectors and terminals. Many professional camcorders use gold-plated connectors for video output, audio input, and sync interfaces to ensure maximum signal clarity and longevity. 4. Printed circuit boards, PCBs. High-end PCBs in these cameras may use gold plating on edge connectors or internal layers to improve conductivity and reliability, especially in signal-sensitive applications like video. 5. Memory modules, RAM flash. Like computer components, memory chips inside DVCAM units use gold in their internal architecture. Gold recovery and e-waste recycling. Today, retired professional equipment like Sony DVCAMs is often collected for e-waste recycling. Here's how the gold is recovered. 1. Manual disassembly. The valuable parts, PCBs, connectors, ICs, are removed. 2. Chemical processing. The gold is extracted using acid baths, electrolysis, or fire refining. 3. Refinement. The recovered gold is purified and melted down into bullion or reused in new electronics. While not all recyclers specialize in high-value recovery, urban mining, the process of reclaiming rare metals from electronics, is a growing industry, especially as natural gold mining becomes more environmentally positive. Legacy value beyond gold. Though the gold content is a major point of interest for recyclers, many enthusiasts and collectors still value Sony DVCAMs for their retro aesthetic analog video art projects or vintage broadcast restoration. Some DIYers also salvage parts for use in custom electronics or educational projects. The CCDs, optics, and lens assemblies are particularly popular. Conclusion. Sony's DVCAM 3CCD DSP camcorders represent a fascinating blend of high-performance engineering and hidden material value. Inside these aging devices lies not only video technology history, but also precious metals like gold, quietly powering the magic of professional image capture. Whether you're a recycler, collector, or just curious about what's inside your gear, the story of gold in electronics is a reminder that value often hides in the most unexpected places, sometimes behind a lens. Where is gold used in CCD sensors? 1. Gold bonding wires. Function: connects the silicon CCD die, the actual chip, to the legs or pads of its ceramic or plastic package. Why gold? Gold is ductile, easy to draw into fine wires, making it ideal for bonding. It's highly conductive and ensures fast, accurate signal transmission. It resists corrosion, which is critical for long-lasting, stable performance. Each CCD chip may contain dozens of ultrafine gold wires, often just 1 to 2 microns thick. 2. Gold-plated leads and pads. The external pins or pads that connect the CCD to the main circuit board may be gold-plated. Gold prevents oxidation, ensuring clean electrical contact over the lifetime of the camera. 3. Internal substrate and layer connections. Inside high-end ceramic CCD packages, gold may also be used in thin internal layers or traces to distribute signals from the sensor to the processor. This ensures consistent performance under thermal and mechanical stress during long shooting sessions. Why not use copper or silver? While copper and silver are also excellent conductors, they oxidize easily, which can cause signal degradation over time. Lack the reliability in ultrafine wires used in bonding. Are harder to bond at the microscopic level during chip packaging. Gold, in contrast, maintains perfect contact even in harsh environments. Heat, moisture, and vibration, which are common in professional filming settings. Importance in professional video cameras. Professional cameras like Sony's 3CCD DVCAMs or broadcast cameras rely on precision and durability. Gold used in CCDs contributes to accurate color capture, low noise and high signal integrity, reliable performance over years of use, consistent image quality, even in extreme shooting conditions. For example, in live broadcasting, a single dropped frame or flicker is unacceptable. The gold-enhanced connections help ensure seamless image flow from the sensor to the processing system. Summary: why gold in CCD sensors? Gold usage area, purpose, benefit. Ultra-pins pads, stable circuit traces. Bonding wires. Connect chip to package, ultra-reliable, corrosion-free links. Connector pins pads, external electrical interface, stable and clean signal transfer. Internal circuit traces, signal routing inside the CCD package. High performance and durable. Final thought. Although the actual amount of gold in a CCD sensor is very small, just fractions of a gram, its role is essential. Without it, the image stability, accuracy, and longevity required by professional users would not be possible. That's why even obsolete cameras still attract interest from recyclers. CCD sensors and other gold-bearing components represent not just engineering marvels, but also tiny reservoirs of precious metal.